Designing a two-pit latrine system and an associated bathroom requires careful planning to ensure hygiene, durability, and user comfort. This is a structured approach to designing such a facility, commonly used in off-grid or low-resource settings. Understanding the two-pit latrine system. A two-pit latrine, also called a twin-pit latrine, is a low-cost, water-efficient sanitation solution where two alternating pits are used for waste decomposition. One pit is in use while the other undergoes decomposition. After 1 to 2 years, the decomposed waste can be safely removed, and the pits are swapped. Suitable for areas with high water tables, if properly lined, and no sewerage systems. Key design considerations. A. Pit design dimensions. Each pit should be 1:1, 5 m deep and 0.81 m wide, circular or rectangular. Lining. Unlined pits, for stable soil with low water tables. Brick mortar-lined pits, for loose soil or high water tables. Vent pipe. A PVC vent pipe, 10 to 15 cm diameter, helps reduce odors and flies. Cover slab. Reinforced concrete with a squat hole, 28 by 18 cm, and a tight-fitting lid. Superstructure. Bathroom toilet shelter. Materials. Brick, concrete, or durable local materials. Size. At least 1.2 m x 1.5 m per toilet cabin. Roofing. Corrugated metal, thatch, or concrete. Ventilation. Openings near the roof or mesh-covered windows. Door. Should open outward for safety and space efficiency. Hand washing station. A simple tap or jug system near the exit encourages hygiene. Use soap or ash for hand cleaning. Step-by-step construction. Site selection. At least 30 m from water sources, wells, rivers, on elevated ground to avoid flooding. Digging the pit space. Pits 1 m apart, to prevent collapse. Line with bricks concrete if needed. Installing the cover slab. Use reinforced concrete, 5 to 8 cm thick. Building the superstructure. Provide privacy walls and a secure door. Include a vent pipe extending above the roof. Adding a hand washing facility. A simple bucket with a tap or a tippy tap. Maintenance and safety. Alternate pits every 12 to 24 months. Remove decomposed waste safely. Use gloves, compost if possible. Keep the area dry and clean to prevent flies. Educate users on proper use. No solid waste other than feces. Advantages of a two-pit latrine. White heavy checkmark. Low water usage, no flushing required. White heavy checkmark. Cost-effective compared to septic tanks. White heavy checkmark. Safe waste decomposition, pathogens die over time. White heavy checkmark. Scalable for households or communal use. Variations and upgrades. Poor flush latrine, uses a small amount of water to move waste into the pit. Ecosan. Ecological sanitation, diverts urine for fertilizer use. VIP. Ventilated improved pit, enhanced odor and fly control. Final recommendation for a functional and hygienic two-pit latrine bathroom. Heavy checkmark. Use durable materials for long-term use. Heavy checkmark. Ensure proper ventilation to reduce smells. Heavy checkmark. Train users on pit rotation and maintenance. Building two-pit latrines with a bathroom requires careful planning to ensure hygiene, durability, and user comfort. 1. Site selection and preparation. Choose a location at least 30 meters away from water sources to prevent contamination. Ensure the ground is stable, well drained, and downhill from living areas. Maintain a safe distance, at least 6 m, from other structures. Design and dimensions. Structure layout. Two-pit latrines plus one bathroom can be a shared design or separate stalls. Recommended dimensions per unit. Latrine stall 1.2 m x 1.2 m minimum. Bathroom stall 1.2 m x 1.5 m. 4 bathing space. Total structure size 3 m x 2 m. Adjust based on needs. Pit design. For each latrine, depth 2 to 3 meters, depends on water table. Diameter 1 to 1.5 m. Circular or rectangular. Lining brick, concrete rings, or stabilized soil to prevent collapse. Distance between pits, at least 1 m apart to avoid structural weakening. Materials needed. Component materials required. Foundation concrete, gravel, sand walls, bricks, blocks, wood, or metal sheets. Roof corrugated iron, thatch, or concrete slab. Slab floor reinforced concrete, with footrests for latrine. Pit lining bricks, concrete rings, or mortar. Door wooden or metal with ventilation gaps. Vent pipe PVC pipe, 100 to 150 mm diameter, 4 Odor control. 4. Construction steps. A. Excavation and pit lining. Dig 2 pits, 2-3 m deep. Line pits with bricks concrete. Leave gaps for leaching in one pit while the other is in use. Install a vent pipe, connected to the pit, to reduce smells. Slab construction. Cast a reinforced concrete slab with hole for squat pan or drop hole, 25 to 30 centimeters diameter. Footrests for squatting comfort. Smooth finish for easy cleaning. Superstructure, walls and roof. Build walls, brick, wood, or metal, for privacy. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.